Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today, we will talk about the new ChatGPT image generation model that just came out 3 days ago. We will do this through four different use cases. Let's get down to this. Now, image generation is something that was dominated by Google with their model Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 for the last previous, let's say, 5 to 6 months, probably. Now, just 3 days ago, ChatGPT released this new image generation model called GPT Image Gen 2 that actually allows you to generate a lot more than just pretty images. This is what we'll discover today through other use cases that are relevant for landscaping businesses and also in the future, probably also medical businesses. Now, if you want to access image generation on ChatGPT, the only thing that you need to do is click on create an image. Right here, as you see, you will have several different explore idea option. If you see the thinking tag right here, that means that it will actually take quite a bit of time to generate that image because it's actually going to fetch information from the web to give you the most accurate answer. You have standard image generation, such as just being able to generate cool anime pictures or comic pictures. This is a model that also works very well for product mockups. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you a standard product mockup generation. Hey, I am just creating a new brand of supplements called Galactic supplements. What I need you to do is I need you to generate a product mockup with white background so that I can use it. Now, you can also change the resolution of the image that you want to generate. By default, it will always select the best resolution for the given use case that you give it. But if you really want it for LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, or some other format, you can simply force it. Now, just gonna send this out. Usually, standard image generation takes around 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on how difficult this image is to generate. By combining thinking, it's actually just going to be longer. I have prepared the four use cases that I told you about, just so that we can actually skip the image generation part and I can show you the concrete results for them. Now, while we wait for this to finish, I will explain to you that image generation is really stepping up its game ever since the release of Nano Banana Pro. And right now, with the birth of GPT Image Generation 2, we're really going to see some very interesting things happen in 2026. So here, as you can see, Galactic supplements, nice and shiny, no problems with the text. That's quite good. But let's go one step beyond that. Now, the use case that I'm going to show you is going to be infographic generation. This is a case where I actually used the thinking model by ChatGPT, as you can see with this opportunity right here, with this option right here, which is thinking mode. So right here, you can just select either standard or extended. This actually makes it so it actually reasons a lot before producing the finalized image. The prompt is very standard, and if you want to test it out, the only thing that you have to do is click on new chat, click on create image, and it will be this prompt right here. Create a visually rich infographic about an endangered animal. It will give you something different from me because it will select a different animal each and every time. As you can see, I got a leopard, and I have an infographic that contains the habitat of the animal, the diet, why it's at risk, unique traits, and also the fast facts. If you zoom in on this image, you will notice that it's extremely high quality and there is no problem whatsoever, either with the icons or the text, which is absolutely mind blowing. You can create entire books of animals, of plants, flowers, anything that you like by now just simply generating as many images as possible and then just creating a PDF together. This is something that can be used as well to create portfolios if you ever need that. Now, let's kick it up a notch, shall we? Right here, what I actually did was I created an image of a satellite view of a house. And as you can see, there is no pool in the backyard, which is a shame because the backyard seems quite spaceful. The prompt that I used was super simple. I want you to create a satellite view of a house with a big patio behind it. As you can see, the other prompt that I actually used by always selecting the create an image option was, hey, now can you now add a pool to that patio, please? Make sure that it's quite close to the white sofa in the left hand corner. And there you go. Now, any company that has to show people the end result before they actually act on a property or infrastructure or whatever, can show results before they start working to help people project themselves on what they're investing in, which is frankly amazing. Now, second use case that I'm going to show you is going to be the cracked wall use case. Now, this is a cracked wall that I actually generated thanks to AI. I can ask AI to show me before and after pictures of the cracked wall after I fixed it at three different price points. If you have a business that actually does infrastructure repairs, you can even add your own pricing table to it, which is absolutely mind blowing. Now, maybe you want to fix it yourself. That means that you need a tutorial on how to do this. And ChatGPT has you covered as well. If you just ask him to create a step-by-step guide with the given images and tools that you need in order to do something manual, he will give you everything that you need. So right here we have clean the area, apply spackle, smooth it out, sand smooth, prime, and paint. All step-by-step guides with the given budget. Now, last but not least, and this is for people like me who don't have a lot of hair, in the medical world, we will most likely also be able to just show people how their progress is going to look if they stick to a given plan. This can be probably for workout routines, this can be just for hairdressers, this can be used for specialists in hair transplants as well. You can create this timeline with the face of the person that will help him project in the future. Now, this is something that's a bit more delicate because I don't know how an image is legally binding to the business, but for sure we will get there at some point in time in the near future. Last but not least, when it comes to generating screenshots as well, this is something that is unbelievably powerful to generate user interfaces with the correct logos, the correct spacing, and also the correct bars. So this is everything that I had to show you today. ChatGPT has really stepped up in terms of image generation, and for sure by the end of 2026 we will start to see brick and mortar stores start to adopt this technology more and more to show people what they're getting for their buck. I'm gonna say catch you up in the next video and stay tuned.